to understanding your taxes, the documents that are involved in the process is a great place to start. So, let's talk about withholding documents. Everyone in the United States fills out a W-4 on their first day with a new employer. This tells the employer how much money you would like withheld from your paycheck to pay toward your federal taxes. Now, not all, but some states and even cities also collect income tax. If that's the case, you will receive a form for each entity. Let's say, for example, you filled out the W-4 and indicated you wanted $50 withheld from every paycheck. If you get paid every other week, that's $1,300 that's being withheld and you will give to the government by April 15th of the following year. You probably filled this form out on the first day and forgot about it, which is fine. But if you did want to review and make any changes, you have the option to do that once a year. Moving on to the next set of forms, you have your income tax documents. If you work for a traditional employer, they will mail you a W-2. If you are an independent contractor or freelancer, you will receive a 1099. These documents indicate how much you earned in the year that you are filing taxes for. They must be postmarked and in the mail to you by January 31st so that you have plenty of time to file your taxes by the April 15th deadline. Let's talk about that. By April 15th, your tax return must be postmarked. For the federal government, you will complete an IT 1040. Again, if you are in a state or city that also collects income tax, you will need to file additional tax returns for those entities. These are the forms and payments that must be postmarked by April 15th of every year.